Hey guys, it's Enna. Welcome back to my channel for a rare unboxing video. I don't buy planners all too often, but here is a new format, something that I haven't owned before. As you've probably seen in the title of this video, it's a B6 traveler's notebook. I've had a pocket-sized traveler's notebook and I loved it, but it was too small, so I switched back to a personal-sized ring-bound planner, but I don't really like the rings. And I was super lucky that Anna of the Good and Simple, which is a new Etsy shop, approached me and asked me if I wanted to try their product. And I was anyways thinking about switching to a B6 TN, so I absolutely jumped on the opportunity, and here it is. And I want to open it with you. I haven't seen what else she included. I know about one little thing, and I'm super happy to unbox it with you. So it's like Christmas morning. I have no idea. I did get to pick the color and everything, but we'll see that. Oh, that's so cute. So it's a cute little note. Oh, how sweet. Oh, so yeah, let's see what it is. Oh, so this is the name of the shop. It's the Good and Simple. They're on Etsy, and it's super cute. It's like Anna and her aunt is sewing the planners, and it's just such a cute little family business. And this is so sweetly wrapped. I don't want to break it. Well, let's see if we can open this without breaking it too much. Alright, so I already see some inserts and more inserts. So let's get those out. And then, the Dream Planner 2020. This is a soft bound planner, but we'll look at that in more detail. And then here is the last and most important bit. And I think the rest underneath is just the bill. So I'm going to leave that out because it probably has my address on it. But let's get into this. So it comes in this perfectly sized little bag that I would probably continue using for carrying it in my purse. And here we go. Ta-da! So that is it. Isn't it so cute? It's the color I picked is called Greige, so a beige gray, and I picked pink elastics to make it just a little bit more fun. I know my decos are going to be mostly pink, so I thought this was just a beautiful combination. The spine will obviously have to, once there's inserts in there, adapt and everything, but I love how flat it's gonna lie. Like, this is super flat. Can put some stickers back here, which is what I often do. Can have some paper clips, some deco stuff, some more stuff in here. Very cute. You can tell it's handmade, but it's super well made. Like, the precision on this, I could not sew this. I've been sewing for 5 or 6 years by now, and there's no way I could do this. This is some real craftsmanship. I love it. Wow, that's impressive. I think the pen loop, let's try a standard Muji pen because that's what I use quite often. I think the pen loop is definitely, yeah, perfect for that. Sometimes the pen loops tend to be too small, like on the Louis Vuitton planners, but this is 100% perfect. Oh, I love it. So I got 4 strings because I usually don't use that many inserts, to be honest, and I think 4 strings is just a really good amount for me. And as you know, as you saw, I already have a couple of inserts here. So let's look at this. Okay, so we have Q4, October to December 2020. Second half of 2020, the months. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open all of this. There's even more in here. Okay. Can I not? Alright, but these are some sturdy plastic baggies. I'll definitely be able to reuse those because they are very sturdy. Not like the flimsy kind, but really nice quality. So before we look at the cute little things, let's look at, we have weeks and months. So Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1, and the month, first half and second half. All right, I'm so excited. Okay, so the month looks like this. Oh, that's a really nice layout. Top 3 projects and top to-dos. That's really good. I mean, I actually do this. Habit tracker for the month and then the next month. That is fantastic. That is so good. Oh, I love it. I've been missing like proper habit trackers that are monthly because I don't have them for my personal planner. I don't have them in the Erin Condren. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so nice. She does do these inserts in German or in English, and I requested English. So if you look at the Etsy website, they will probably show up in German, and then you just have to leave a note that you want it in English, if that's your preference. And then we have the same thing for the second half. It's a little bit differently formatted. I think she just forgot to keep the lines, but it doesn't matter. You can still see, and I think it actually will look really cute. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, the months, and then we have the weeks. So let's look at Q1, January through March. So she has either week on 2 pages or week on 4 pages, and I went with the week on 4 pages because I do carry this with me and write a lot of things in it. I currently have a week on 4 page layout, and I actually really like it, and so I opted to keep that, to have a week on 4 pages, because then you also have happy mail, habit trackers, social media, and Saturday and Sunday as separately, and then you have lots of to-dos, top 3, meal plan, chores, expenses, and notes. And I really like this expenses parts. I've been thinking about getting like a budget book separately to my planner, but this would totally rock it, and I would be able to not need another book and, you know, another planner and another thing to carry around, but actually just put my expenses in here. And yeah, I really just enjoy that. You could also, she has the inserts also with a dot grid background in the boxes if you struggle with putting down your stickers straight. I opted for the cleaner, simpler look without the dotted lines in the days, but I mean, it definitely would be an option if that is something that would make sense to you. And I went for the clean looks. She also has a floral look, so if you don't decorate your pages very much, she also has inserts that are pre-decorated. Well, we can look at that on her Etsy page in a little bit, so I can show you the different options. Yeah, and so I just have like all quarters for the next year, so I can only start using this in January, but that's totally fine. I have enough inserts, and I can, you know, I have so much going on for the rest of the year. I don't think I would be able to manage like a proper setup and everything, so that's my planner system for 2020, and I'm so excited. So I already know I can take the weeks and the first half of 2020, and then I can see if I want the other quarters in the planner as well, maybe like the next 2, and then I already have my 4 inserts, right? So I'm excited. Super good, super good. Let's look at these little goodies that she sent, because she also makes and sells foiled stickers, and these are so cute. They're just little icons. These have different colors, and these are just plain white, and they're very well foiled. Like, this is really good foiling quality. This is rose gold, a copper foil, and it's really well done. Super cute. I absolutely love this little suitcase. I always struggle to find a cute suitcase, but that one's just so sweet. Yeah, some really good icons. She also sells washi samples, like this huge washi. I saw that in her shop, and that is something completely different. Like, I don't own anything like this. Like, it's almost a little boho, but it's really cute. I really like it. And this washi, I've had a sample. Like, this was one of the first samplers I've ever had of washi, and I think I've run out like 2 years ago. So this is really sweet. Can't wait to use that. And in here, ooh, that's nice. It's like this I think is the peach color. Oh, that would look really cute on the planner as well. Okay, I see that. I see that. I could have picked that as well. I'm glad I have the option to change it. I mean, the pink looks really nice, but the peach also looks really nice on grayish. Oh, I love it. She has a ton of different colors, so do check it out. And this is vegan leather. I don't know if I've said that before. So it's not like not an animal product. It's vegan leather. So no bad conscience there. And oh, I love this. This is such a cute rubber band color. Really, really enjoy that. Maybe I'll change that eventually, but I think for now I'm gonna stick with pink because that is just such a, yeah, I don't know, it's a very me color, but peach is fantastic. Ah, so excited. But here we go. Here comes the good news for you guys. So, haha, since this is a PR package, right, there must be something in it for you as well. And here it is. This is what's in it for you. This is the Dream Planner 2020, and I am going to open this. I'm really sorry for whoever gets this, but I am going to open this to show you. This is going to be given away and won by one of you. And I'll let you know how in a little bit, but first let's have a look at this, right? So it's, I guess it's like B6 size. So technically I could put it into that TN cover. And it's just really soft. It's quite thick. There's so many pages in here. And this one is in German. And it just explains like how planning works and what you should think about, like how to set goals. And then it's a future log for the first half of 2020. Like what are your priorities, what are your goals? Second half, and then a monthly dashboard with your priorities. I love the little hexagon. A brain download, that's cute. A monthly to-do list. And then you have a monthly overview. Very, very cute. And then this is what the weeks look like. So it's quite similar to the inserts that I have. It just has a little bit more decoration to it. And then it's like about your exercise and steps, shopping, projects, spending, habit tracker. And it's just so cute. So these are the dotted lines that I was talking about. Like it makes it a lot easier to put your stickers down straight. And yeah, it just is super cute. And every month has like a dashboard, a download, to-do list, a monthly overview, and then it goes into the month. And the first week of the month is always decorated with a little bit of a like green thing, I guess. And then it goes back into black and white. So very cute little thing, very easy to carry around. And yeah, this is the Dream Planner. So I'm gonna put it back into the bag. To win this, I think we're gonna make it nice and simple because, you know, it's about the good and simple. So what do you think? How about to win this, you just have to comment and tell me why you want to win this. And then also, don't forget, if you are going to be picked on here, I'm going to comment or like answer to your comment, so make sure you come back and check your YouTube. But yeah, just tell me why you would want this planner and what you would plan with this, like what is your goal for 2020, okay? So yeah, comment what's your goal for 2020. That's all you need to do, and I'll pick a winner in the next from today 2 weeks. I'll put more in the description box, all the information, so you can read that again and tell your friends, and I'll also announce it on my Instagram, so if you don't watch this on time, you'll know on Instagram as well. How about that? Does that sound good? Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I wanted to show you just very quickly what it looks like on Etsy. So this is the shop. See, this is the B6 Dream Planner that we just looked at. So it's worth 35 euros, which is such a generous gift. Thank you so much again, Anna. And her TNs are 50 euros, and you can see all of these beautiful inserts. I wanted to show you the week on 2 pages, right? Then you have a Monday through Sunday, but then the Saturday and Sunday are shorter, and usually my Saturdays and Sundays are the most busy, so that's why I would always go for a week on 4 page layout. Yeah, but you see all these beautiful TN colors, so if you are currently in the market for a new TN, I do recommend you check this out. Very, very cute. The yellow was also, the yellow kind of tickled me, like I almost picked the yellow, but I thought gray is a little bit easier on the eyes long term. So I really hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. I hope you have found a planner piece. I know that I need to change my system every once in a while, and this is gonna be it. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Anna, for this beautiful gift, and for the wonderful opportunity for one of you guys to win this planner. And I'll see you again very soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.